Plans never work out like you think they do. So I've been gone for a while working on my 32 over at Paul's. I came back to my shop, dead battery, dead battery, dead battery, fuel pumps out of that one, flat tire on this one. Quit your bitching I think's good because I've been working on it here and there. But I had plans today. I don't have my service truck, so I don't really have any tools. I have some, but my shop next door isn't there no more. So, you know, we just have this showroom right now. So it sucks. I can't just walk over there and get my tools. So I'll have to come back with my service truck and fix this shit later. Damn. So today's wash day. We're gonna wash the semi. We just got back from the diesel days in Edmonton, Canada, and it rained like crazy. Those poor people live up there. Even when they get good weather, it rains. So I think you get like a couple weeks of sunshine. That's why they're so white. People are so white up there. They got no sun. I got some white ass friends up there, real white. Pasty. Almost emo white, but they got a little red on their neck, so not that bad. Anyway, we're gonna wash these trucks and try to get the semi back in here. So if you guys are gonna be around here this summer, I'm gonna try to keep my truck in here for the summer so it doesn't get beat down for the sun. So it should be here all summer, so come check it out.